Before exporting a bill of material, consider which files and properties you want to see. An exported BOM will reflect the current view and version and can be adjusted based on your preferences. When you are satisfied, click the Export button. In this window, you will be prompted to designate a naming convention for the exported files. The default format defined in the company level settings will automatically appear. The file name placeholder is mandatory. Otherwise, you can delete placeholders or add new ones by entering a curly bracket and selecting from the metadata. Choose whether you would like the attributes exported along with the desired file formats. You will receive an in-app notification as well as a download link from Bild containing a zipped folder with all the selected file formats and consistent naming.